Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to cook smoked sausages with peppers and onions. And so this is a sausage I've been eating since I was a kid, and I call it black guy sausage. It's by home style foods. The reason I call it black guy sausage, it helps me remember what to get, is because there's a picture of a black guy on here, and this stuff is good. So I'm gonna cook this up, and now I got a Vidalia onion and some peppers and some rolls. So we're gonna cook dinner and enjoy this. I'm going to show you guys how I prep this up here and cook it out on the grill, because that's what makes this taste really good, is when you cook it over a fire. Alright, well, watch me cook it and then we'll enjoy eating it. Alright, well, here we go. Okay guys, first step we're going to do is cut up the onions and peppers, and as you see, I got some aluminum foil because I'm going to just throw it in the aluminum foil here. So what I'm going to do is I already washed these, so we're just going to chop up the onions here, and yeah. Alright, and we're just gonna put the onions on the aluminum, in the middle of the aluminum foil. Alright, and let's go. Okay, now for the peppers, we'll be very careful, and cut the middle part out. And sure you got all the seeds out. Okay, and we'll just cut these up, and then we'll put those in on there. Okay guys, I'm going to cut the rest of these peppers up, then I'll show you what to do when you get all those up, and I'll see you in just a few minutes. Okay guys, we're done cooking done chopping up the peppers and onions. So what we're going to do, this up, have the sunny side up facing us. Okay, and I already got these mixed, so we're going to take half, put it on one here, one more get it fixed up here. And this one, a little bit more peppers and onions. Alright. Now, then, I'm going to pick these up here. Take a little bit of water. Put the water, just dump a little bit of water in there. That will help with the steam. And we'll roll this up. Roll it over a little bit. And we'll roll it up on this side. Alright. So, we'll just put these. I'm going to go finish that one up. We're going to put it, when we do, we'll put these on the grill and they'll steam as we cook the meat. Okay guys, well here we go. Just in a few minutes I'll see you again. Okay guys, we're going to get the grill started. I'm going to use the charcoal starter here. First thing you want to do is get some newspaper, crumble it up here. Put that up underneath there. Alright. It's sitting in there. Alright. Then we're gonna make the charcoal. Put it in there. Alright, now we're gonna light this charcoal. Get the fire started here. Get the fire going. Good. We got it going here. Alright, now we got that started. We're gonna let them get going pretty good, and then we'll get ready for the food. Okay, well, we'll see you in a little bit when this gets ready. Okay guys, our charcoal is going pretty good here, so we're just gonna dump this out here. Alright, what we're going to do is get this spread out here. A little bit on this side, empty. We're going to more because this is going to keep cooking here. Well, that is nice and hot too. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna do this on here. Like so. Ooh! Boy, I got some smoke in there. Alright. We're gonna put these over on this side. A little bit off the heat. That's our vegetables, if you remember. Okay, what we're gonna do is gonna let this sit for a little bit. Get it all nice and warm. That's warming up. And we'll get the sausage ready to go. Okay guys, here we go. Okay guys, we're gonna put the sausage on now. So we'll take this off and set it down here. And we're gonna just sit this sausage along in here. And it's got. See if I can cut that there with the tongs here. Woo! Alright. Well, I'll just sit it on there for now. Let it maybe it'll be easier to cut later. So we'll put that back on there, let it cook for about 10-15 minutes, and everything should be good. Alright, well, talk to you guys in a little bit for you, and we'll enjoy it. Okay guys, let's see if these things are ready. Oh yeah, look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Oh gosh, just look at that. So just look at that. Those look so good. We'll just put those up here. Alright. Now what I'll do is take this. We'll go sit this on the table over here. Alright, okay guys, now we finished this up and I'm ready to eat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this roll and I'm gonna cut one of these in half. And it looks good. Cooked all the way through. So we're gonna put that in there. Get some spicy brown mustard. You can't have a sausage without mustard. Now we're going to open up this pepper and onions. Oh my gosh, and look at that. Can you guys see that? Those are some good looking peppers and onions. So we'll take those, put some of those on top of that. Let me go ahead and take a try of this, see how it is. That is good. Now, with my dinner tonight, I'm gonna have some rice go along with it. You can even take some of the peppers and onions mixed in with the rice. Eat that in there. A little soy sauce. So, that way. Just one good meal I'm gonna have tonight. Alright guys. Well, I'll see you guys later. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel and take some time to watch some of my other videos.